how to use ViralNinja.io. Find dropshipping products now. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ViralNinja.io to find dropshipping products. So first of all, you need to come to the ViralNinja.io, the official website, and then you have to click on sign up now and sign up to your account, like create an account via email or Google, and upon login, you will see tools like product database, product tracker, insights, store scraper, and supplier db. And after that, you have to use product database to search for top selling products by category or keywords. And then you have to apply filters for trend duration and price, range, and supplier rating and other volume. And then you have to track product trending, like you have to click a product to add to track list, like product tracker. And then you have to monitor sales performance, real-time inventory, and price trends in the product tracker module. And after that, you have to dive into markets insights, and for that you have to go to product insights and plug in up to 5 competitor store URLs for the store scraper, automatically pull product names, images, prices, and stock levels. Great for understanding competitor categories and catalogs. And after that, you have to connect with suppliers, like supplier. You have to then go to supplier database and explore that for weighted manufacturers, compare based on MOQ, location, shipping option, and ratings. And after that, you have to validate and launch, like evaluate viability. You have to solid track history, stable pricing, strong supplier, and export product data or import to your store like Shopify or WooCommerce through CSV or API integration. And let me give you some pro tips for the tool. And get notified when product inventory dips or sales spikes, like automated alerts, and look for rising items, not just shop sellers, to stay ahead, like trend filtering. And you can also competitor intel, like scraping offers insights into promotional strategies and pricing models. And it's best for new dropshippers and experienced sellers and agencies and e-commerce managers. And that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.